Hello dear students, welcome to our channel and I am your host Manpreet. Today I am discussing with you another latest QCard topic and topic is talk about a time when you read a map or find direction using a map and you should say when and where you were, how did you feel and how was your overall experience. इस क्यू कार्ड में आपको क्या बताना है, इसमें आपको बताना है कि वो टाइम जब आपने मैप को रीड किया हो डायरेक्शन फाइंड आउट करने के लिए। सो वो मैप चाहे सॉफ्ट कॉपी की फॉर्म में हो, यानी कि पेपर मैप जो पहले आते थे, चाहे उस फॉर्म में हो सकता है, या फिर आप जो अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन में ऐप होती है गूगल मैप, या उसको पढ़ के कभी आपने अपना डायरेक्शन फाइंड आउट की हो तो उसके बारे में भी आप बता सकते हैं कब और कहाँ कैसा आपको फील हुआ। कि आप बोल सकते हो कि हम कहीं स्टक हो गए थे, किसी सिटी में हम फंस गए थे, वो सिटी हमारे लिए बिल्कुल मतलब नई थी, हमें उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं पता था। सो उस टाइम पे हमने जो है मैप को रीड किया एंड व्हाट वाज योर ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस, आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था कि वो आपको बताना है इसमें। लेट्स सी द सिंपल आंसर ऑफ दिस क्यू कार्ड टॉपिक। Erudition of geographical place is paramount, especially before visiting or a trip. Otherwise, we need to depend on other aids. In these contemporary times, a host of landmen use smartphone. Has it reduced to take a map piece of paper? I mean a soft copy of map. Today, I would like to talk about the time when I desperately required a map. If I remember right, then it was 3 years ago. It was a holiday for me. Thus, I made a plan to visit Rajasthan. I went there by luxury bus with my college friends. We are three and no one has inside. All had a maiden state tour. After reaching the next day, we went jungle for photography. The name of jungle is not remembered at that time, but it was greenery all over. For searching photoshoot location, we forget where we are. After a couple of hours, we realized it, but it was too late. I immediately opened my phone and turned on the internet. Although unfortunately, the network was not too good for connection. We all afraid and scared to silent of place if someone chance his foot location, and that time voice of dry treat leaves also scared us and pointing our attention. We did not know what to do. After some period, one of our members, whose name is Jatin, remembered that he carries a soft copy of the map in his bag. Suddenly we got relief. We both are also angry with him for giving information too late, and we find it out where we entered and where are the biggest advantage in that forest is nearby river and small mountain, hence it is mentioned in map. It was a sweet and scary experience. Overall, our heartbeat was not normal once time, but we find it outer path. That experience also teaches us one lesson, that every time depending on modern technology equipment or thing is not good, it also words regulations. Sometimes the method or things that carries by our ancestor is also helpful. So this is the simple answer of this cue card topic, and now I am discussing with you follow up about this cue card. First question is, how easy is it to travel around your country? Answer of this question is, I think it is not easy as we think. It requires a lot of money. So financial capability is primary, and the time also. Traveling facility is also brutal. Second question is, which method of traveling do you consider the safest and why? Answer of this is, I consider train as the safest traveling way over other such as plane, cars, bikes and etc. It is also economical beneficial for travelers. In India, the majority of citizens prefer is also to train since it is started. It has its route and path, so no less chance of accident. Third question, has travel become safer in recent year than that was in the past? And answer of this question is without any doubt yes. In the past time people were not aware of safety things and faculties was also not developed for safety. However, presently things are developed by measuring safety first, and the authority also stimulate people and people understand it and follow safety rule. For instance, a few decades ago people avoid wearing helmet, and while now people like to wear helmet and seat belt before driving. Next question is what are the pros and cons of a GPS navigation system? Answer of this is GPS aid people to find their way as well as they can know their perfect geographical location. In urban area people can know further road traffic situation. On the other hand, quality of internet connection is primary requirement. Last question is should the government in a country focus more on rail transport or road transport, and why? Answer of this question is I think both modes of transportation are needed for commercial use and long route. Railway are better option, while the inner route of city road transportation is good. A good road is better. Rail faculties both are told for any country's citizens. So this is the simple answer and follow-up of this question. I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you find our content is benefiting for you and you gain knowledge from this, then please hit like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep supporting, it motivates us to work even harder. Thank you very much for watching.